towards Singapore Zoo now, and we just started, and that is our hotel. So we started for Singapore Zoo now, and we are going via bus. We took 3 days, 3 days pass.
3 days tourist pass only for 20 Singapore dollars.
So we'll see you on Singapore Zoo now. Guys, so finally we reached to Singapore Zoo after so much of struggle. Like it took 1 hour to reach from our Bristol Road where we are staying, and I'll show you around the place. Singapore Zoo occupies 28 acres and it attracts 1.5 million visitors every year. That is something crazy. Yeah. The best part of zoo is they have a structure part to part. Like for Australia they have kangaroos in that section, and the bus service will be there in and around. Like if you want to go from wild Africa to Asia, then they will take you, and this is very pretty cool. And this is the wild Africa. Let's get inside. That lion is super tired, it seems. White tigers, and I want to tell, I have never seen such an animal so closer, just like 10 to 50 meters from us. And also make sure you come here around 2:30 to 3 o'clock. It's their lunch time, because see, yeah. Explain here, this is the best zoo ever, because in India we don't have this kind of stuffs out. Hey guys, so we are done with our Singapore zoo trip, and now we are heading towards where?
Garden by Bay.
Garden by Bay. We changed two bus from Singapore Zoo,
Attention
and
passengers.
now we are here
To
at
facilitate track maintenance work,
MRT.
MRT
please note that there will be no
Bukit
LRT train
Panjang.
service
From
or
here we
Bukit
have
Panjang LRT on Sundays
direct bus
from
to
15 April
Garden by the Bay,
2088.
and I'll see you guys
For
there.
more information,
We are here at Cloud Forest inside Garden by the Bay, and it is the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Yes, you heard that right. Look a view now. Pictures plant and ferns from the cool, moist tropical mountain region, complete with a 35-meter man-made mountain and waterfall. Yeah. Singapore award-winning Garden by the Bay spans more than 100 acres of land next to Marina Bay area. See the stunning super trees, 16 trolley tall man-made trees. We are here at Garden by the Bay Flower Dome. If you are plant lover, then this is the best place for you on Singapore. Nearly 1,63,000 plants from 200 species covering them, while the air-conditioned twin conservatories, the Flower Dome and Cloud Forest are ticket attractions. We are here at the Garden by the Bay, Flower Dome on Garden by the Bay. This place is so amazing, full of greenery. They plant from different country. Like for South Africa, it will be different, and whatever the particular plants needs to done, they provide the same thing for them, and they had grown so much now, and they all are originals. See. Woo. It's so amazing place, guys. Seriously.
Musical treats. Tonight we present a world of wonder. So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
It's OCBC Skyway and Super Tree Grove, a bird's eye view from the 22 meters high OCBC Skyway. We didn't went to up, but we are enjoying the night show here. When night falls, the super trees come to life with a spectral light and sound shows at 7:45 p.m. and 8:45. Make sure you attend this. Guys, finally we are here at Marina Basin. a 5-star luxurious hotel, and this is the entrance of hotel. This is the check-in area, and it consists of 3 towers, of course, and up there is sheep, and this is very insane. So many things are there. We are here. Look at the view. I'll show you around. Wait. That top ship one is called the infinity pool as well, and for that you have to book a room to access that, and it is very costly. Entrance to it is free. Mall area, the place you can see now is the flower dome, that too centers, and here is Singapore Flyer, and left hand side is the Garden by the Bay Hotel, luxurious Marina by Sands, and it's so amazing, so beautiful, so huge. Tower C consists of big brand mall, and inside this we have big casino as well.